Meta may be on the verge of opening up a new source of revenue by leasing AI computing power from its data centers. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. The New York Times reports that Meta is in talks to rent some of its compute to Anthropic in a deal that could be worth up to $10 billion over 2 years. The report says Anthropic proposed the deal in June and Meta is considering it, but the people who weren't authorized to discuss confidential conversations. While the specifics were in flux, Anthropic would pay Meta in monthly increments over the 2-year period, people said. The companies would be able to opt out of any agreement early, they added. If it goes forward, the arrangement would be similar to one Anthropic struck up with SpaceX earlier this year. In May, the two companies inked a deal for Anthropic to rent data center capacity from SpaceX for around $1.25 billion per month through May 2029. In June, Google signed a similar deal to rent capacity from SpaceX for $920 million per month for 32 months. These deals highlight the need for computing resources that every company in the AI industry faces, as those behind the hardware that powers data centers scramble to keep up with demand. That has led rivals in the market striking deals as they just want more computing power to meet demand for newer models like Anthropic's recently released Claude Fable 5. While Meta's been working on AI models of its own, it's struggled to get in the fast lane of the industry, filled with more capable models. Now, lending some computing sources from its own data centers can create a new revenue stream for Meta, while it plays catch up with other models from OpenAI and Anthropic. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.